Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liza if you're new around here, and today we're doing a bit of a different video. I'm doing an unboxing of my new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've got a bit of a sore throat today, so sorry if my voice is a bit weird, but anyway, I'm so excited for this because my previous iPhone, which is this one here, is the iPhone 7. So I think this is going to be quite a big change for me. I went for the Pro Max as well, so that's the biggest iPhone. Let's just open the box, shall we? This is how it came. I ordered this because I've changed my whole network provider and all of that. So this came through the post and I have had it here for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. I haven't had time to like sit down and film this, so I'm really excited to be able to sit down and open this with you. Here it is. I went for the gold. Actually, I didn't choose the gold. The gold was all that Sky had, so I've gone with Sky Mobile for this, and the only option I had was gold, but I'm happy with gold. I always have like different cases on them, so you never actually see what colour it is, so I wasn't bothered about what colour I went for, but we have got the gold. I've gone for the 256 gigabytes on here. The capacity on this one, so I've got the 128 on here, 256 on here, which I am over the moon with. I just had to get the most storage available because I obviously use my phone for work and I'm on it all the time and I'm saving things on there all the time, and I'm really bad at deleting things, so my memory just gets full very quickly. This is what we've got. We're going to open the box. It's come in a black box this time, which I believe is new because I'm sure they will come in white boxes usually. Let's see what it looks like inside. La la! Oh my goodness, look at that, so cute. Wow, it is big. I'm not really bothered about the size of it, but I went for the Pro Max Plus just because I thought I'm going to do it. I'm just going to go that a little bit extra this time. I'm not usually that bothered about being up to date with the latest kind of iPhones. I used to be when I first started getting iPhones, but I've had them for years now. My contract would always run out quite a little while before the new one would come out. So I was always like 6 months behind. So I would always end up getting the model before the newest one, if that makes sense. So this is my first time actually getting the newest and latest model when it's actually just come out. This is what it looks like. It's definitely bigger than mine. This phone looks so battered now, but this is the iPhone 7. This is the Pro Max Plus 11. It is quite big when you look at it like that. Actually, it's not that much bigger than I thought it would be. It feels more comfortable in my hands than I thought it would because I get arthritis in my hands, and especially in the winter it does get a lot like more stiffer and quite sore when I'm holding my phone, but it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. You know, I can still get it quite comfortably in my hand. I've got quite big hands like the Grinch, so my hands fit in it fine. So let me just put the phone down a second. I'm going to show you what is inside the box. So we get this, designed by Apple in California. We've also got this charger. So this is the charging device, I'm assuming. It looks like this. This is slightly different. Is this the charger? Oh yeah, so that's the plug. Oh my god. So that comes out like that. Cool. And then you get the different... You get the little earphones here, which are just, you know, standard ones. And then you get this charger. So this charger here is meant to charge the phone quicker and better, I guess. I'm not really 100% sure, but it's meant to be better. So it does look slightly different, so I won't be able to use it on my old. I wonder if Mark will be able to use this on his phone because it's got the same kind of plug. Does this fit in here? Oh, it does fit in there, so that might be quicker for Mark's phone as well. We'll have to wait and see. So that is the charger, slightly different to the one that the other iPhones have got. So I'm excited to try that one and see how it works. I always drain the battery so quick. My battery dies before my contract is up. Honestly, my battery is so terrible on my phone. This one has been a lot better than the other phones that I've had in the past, and I think that's because when I bought the phone, the guy said to me, do not charge your phone overnight, it will kill the battery. So what I do now is I'll charge it in the evening, get it to full battery, and then I'll unplug it, because apparently if you leave it in overnight it's going to kill the battery. So if you're like me and your battery dies very quickly, then that's probably why. Maybe you're overcharging it. So what I'm going to do is really take care of the charging situation with these phones. And then in here you obviously get all of your information about it. You also get a couple of Apple stickers. Oh, this is cool. I actually just used an earring to put my SIM card in, but you actually get this little device now. It's like a little pin to put your SIM card in. That's clever. They've never included that before, have they? Okay, so anyway, shall we peel this off? Because this is always lovely, isn't it? This is always so satisfying. So I'm going to peel this off. I have got a screen protector to put on there. Oh. shiny. Shining, I love it. This is lovely actually, because this is quite like a bronzy gold. It's not like around the edges, it's got like a bronze gold kind of effect. Can you see how that's a little bit more bronzy? It's not like your typical yellow gold. The apple is also in the middle, and usually it's at the top, I believe. Let me get my old phone out so you can have a look. Can you see how apple is usually at the top there, and now it's in the middle? But it's got like a pretty fully charged battery going on. So swipe up to open, and then we're going to tap on English, United Kingdom. So it's set in the language for me now. I usually do all of this in the shop, so the shop assistant usually helps me. I haven't done this for a long time. So should we do, if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS 11 or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set this up manually. I'm going to set it up manually just because, I need my Wi-Fi code. Actually, I've got my Wi-Fi code because Mark sent it to me yesterday, so it's on my phone already. So it's just joining to the Wi-Fi network. Face ID. Oh, I didn't know this had Face ID. Okay, so iPhone can recognise the unique three-dimensional features of your face to unlock automatically. Should we give it a go? Okay. How do we do this? Right. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all of the angles of your face. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Oh, that was easy. Continue. Face ID is now set up. Oh my god, that's so weird. So create a passcode. Right, okay, so apps and data. Choose how you want to transfer your apps and data to this iPhone. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac, move data, don't transfer apps and data. I'm not going to transfer it because I've got too many apps on there and it's going to take all day, so I'm going to just do it myself manually. Apple ID, where are you at? Oh my god, I love having this bigger phone. I wasn't sure I was going to be loving it. Right, okay, what is my Apple ID password? I do not even know. Does anyone else forget all of their passwords? Because I do. Does anyone use Siri? I was gonna set that up later. I've never used Siri before. iPhone automatically adapts to ambient lighting conditions to make colours appear consistent in different environments. That's clever, isn't it? You can change this later in display and brightness settings. Display zoom. So standard or zoomed. I think I want standard. Swipe up further from the bottom edge, then release to show your recent apps. Oh, okay, so you can swipe up now too. I thought you could do that anyway. Could you not? Quickly access controls. Swipe down from the top right edge to open control center. Okay, so first impressions. I love the size of the screen actually, and it fills the whole screen, which I think is really cool. Let's go into camera, because this is the main reason I wanted this phone. I'm sure it's the main reason that most people want this phone is for the camera. So let's just continue because I've already seen this. And you've got 3 different settings. So this is just normal photo. And then you've got 0.5, which zooms out. And then 2, which zooms in. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this because 0.5 was what I wanted it for. So it's like a bit of a fisheye lens, I guess. What I'll do is I'll take some photos with each of the different settings. So 0.5, 1 and 2. And I'll pop some pictures up for you so you can see the difference. Quality looks really nice. Portrait, let's see what portrait looks like. Wow, that is so clear. So when I put it in portrait mode, it kind of is very clear on me, and then the background is like blurry, which is very nice. It's like really crisp on the face and then blurry. Lighting settings as well. So you've got like natural light, studio light, contour light, which gives me a bit of a contour, slightly dark though. I'm also really excited to try this in night mode because apparently night mode is meant to be really amazing on this camera. So yeah, that is my first impressions. I'm very excited. I'm gonna put my phone case on actually because I bought a phone case from Amazon. I needed a phone case because otherwise I know that I will drop it straight away because I'm so clumsy. So we've got this one, which is a cute like pink phone case. It's got that kind of rubbery feel, which I really like because I don't really like it when phone cases are really slippery in your hands. You know what iPhones are like in your hands, they're super slippery, aren't they? So that is my new iPhone. I just wanted to really open this on camera just so we could so I could show you all properly how it all looks. So the next thing I need to do now, which I won't do on camera because it might take a little while, is switch my phone number. So my current phone number is on this phone at the moment. Obviously I've just put a new SIM card into that phone, but it's a new network. What I need to do is get the pack code for this phone here, which I have already got. I'm going to phone Sky in a moment and then get them to transfer it all over to this phone. It will take a couple of days apparently to all transfer, and then once that's done I'll be able to use this one. So that is the end of the video, guys, an unboxing of my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I hope you enjoyed this video from me. It's a bit of a random one, but I just wanted to unbox it on camera and I was very excited about this phone, so I'll let you know how I get on with the camera, and if you want to see what's on my iPhone next, then let me know and I'll do a video on that and all of the apps that I use. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've got an iPhone Pro Max or an iPhone 11, and let me know how you're getting on with it. I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.